Hi everyone, I'm Mohsina Mostofa Miti, currently working as a research associate at BIPS. Artificial intelligence is becoming central to national security worldwide, with applications in defense modernization, intelligence, disaster management, and cybersecurity. While global powers like the US and China lead the race, regional players such as India have also made significant strides by institutionalizing AI in defense through structured councils, agencies, and public private partnerships. For Bangladesh, AI offers opportunities to strengthen counterterrorism, maritime security, border management, disaster preparedness, and cyber defense, areas critical to its security landscape. However, adopting AI is not just about access to technology. It requires vision, coordination, investment, and safeguards for ethical use. Bangladesh has taken steps in digital infrastructure and education, such as establishing a Tier IV national data center and introducing AI modules at leading universities. Yet, the country still underperforms in AI R&D investment, lags in defense tech collaboration, and lacks a cohesive national AI strategy. Despite initiatives like the draft National AI Policy 2024 and the Cybersecurity Ordinance 2025, institutional and technical gaps remain. Lessons from countries like India and Estonia suggest that targeted investments, clear institutional frameworks, and civil military partnerships are essential for building resilience and strategic capabilities in AI. To move forward, Bangladesh must transition from fragmented initiatives to a phased strategy, prioritizing immediate applications such as border surveillance, counterterrorism, and disaster response, while gradually scaling toward advanced systems will ensure efficient use of resources. At the same time, investment in talent development, support for local startups, and international collaboration will be key. By aligning ambition with realism and committing to ethical AI governance, Bangladesh can position itself as a responsible adopter of AI in South Asia, strengthening its security and strategic autonomy in an increasingly complex world. To read the full paper, please visit our website, which is www.bips.org.pt. That's all for today. Thank you.